Picture a home makeover. First, it all begins with a vision board, a collection of dreams and designs that inspire your creative mind. From magazine cutouts to color swatches, it's all about what makes your eyes gleam with anticipation. Next, it's time for budget planning. Be it big or small, every budget can create magic. It's all about where and how you choose to sprinkle it. Then we move on to expert consultation. Seek advice from those in the know, architects, designers, those who can help your dreams take form. Now, let's not forget those personal touches. DIY projects, unique decor, family input, it's these elements that truly make a house a home. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, the big reveal. Witness the transformation, the journey from old to new, from mundane to extraordinary. So why wait? Start your home transformation journey today and turn your dream space into a reality. And if you're thinking of selling your house, the Gurpreet Ghatehora real estate team at RE/MAX River City is ready to guide you. Dial 780-951-6530 or visit searchrealestateforsale.ca. Stick around for more property selling tips. We'll be right here, waiting to make your dreams come true.